So yun guys, update lang po. Since nandito na nga po ako sa Astor Cedars Hospital kasi nandito naka-confine si Daddy. Nagpa-check up na rin po ako kasi 3 days na rin po akong talagang na-atake ng aking allergy. So niresitahan nga po nila ako nitong cetirizine, pero mamayang gabi ko na siya inumin bago matulog. Tapos I have here pang spray. So spray ko po siya ngayon. Tatapos ko na din kumain. So yan. So here po sa Astor. So spray muna tayo. Okay, this is it. So mahal din siya kung mahal po siya kung wala ka po ng insurance. It's 120 dirhams. Ayan, 120 dirhams, 0.50. And then, ito namang isa is 40.50. So, kung i-convert nito sa Pilipinas, yung 120 is around mga almost 2,000 pesos. Itong pang-spray na to. Once a day, good for 5 days. Ayan, so itong isa naman si cetirizine, inumin natin siya bago matulog kasi possible na antukin tayo, which is nandito pa tayo sa hospital. So, yeah, maya-maya na tayo dapat take nito. So, 40-50, so around mga hindi ako nagkakamali, 600, ganyan. 600 to 700 max. So, nasal spray, what gonna do is shake the bottle gently. Then, before use, read out the package. So, there's a package dito. At this one. So, I just read that is the package leaflet. So, sabi dito, using the spray, shake the bottle gently for 5 seconds by tilting it upwards. Yung ginawa natin kanina in downwards, and then remove the protective cap. So, natanggal ko na rin yung protective cap niya. Ito po yun. And then, blow your nose to clear your nostrils. So, kung may mga nakabara-bara, blow daw. Ayan, i-blow natin. Sorry. So, yun nga, after natin clear yung ating nostrils, keep your head down, tilt it downwards towards your toes. And then, do not tilt head backwards. So, dapat ganito. And the proper is, hold the bottle upright and carefully insert the spray tip into one nostril. So, like this. Then, close other nostril with your finger. Rapidly press down once and snip gently at the same time.